Hello boys and girls, Jack Logan here, and welcome na naman sa Jack Logan Reviews. Alright! And today, meron tayong re-reviewin na kakaibang product. Hindi ko ito madalas nire-review. Hindi ito yung mga klase ng product na nire-review ko, pero dahil may mga kaibigan tayong mababait sa paligid, pinadala nila tayo ng product para reviewin. Amazing! Okay? Ang re-review natin ay ang essential oil. Ano nga ba ang essential oil? Ang essential oil ay nakakatulong sa pagtanggal ng stress. Pag nilanghap mo ang essential oil, matatanggal ang iyong stress. Yun lang ang alam ko. Oh, pero sabi nila kasi yung mga essential oil daw ay nakakatulong sa pagtanggal ng bad mood. Ayan, nakaka-relax. Oo. Ito yung madalas nating naamoy pag nagpupunta tayo sa spa or nagpupunta tayo sa mga coffee shop, ganyan. O, di ba? Para mangamoy coffee shop yung kwarto natin. Amazing. So today, i-unbox natin ang essential oil na padala ng Young Living Essential Oils. Alright! So subukan na natin to. Okay, let's do this. I have my cutter with me. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, let's get it on. Okay. We sometimes be careful with the cutter, okay? Because not alright. O mamaya, sugatan. Okay? At kayong mga magulang, magpaalam sa mga anak bago gumamit ng cutter. Okay? Kasi alam nila kung paano yung safety. Dahil, okay, let's do this. Okay. By the way, shoutout nga pala kay Carlene, tsaka kay Rain. Oo, sila ang promotor nito, mga kaibigan. Oo. Okay, here we go. There. Ako medyo marami-rami to. Okay. So, what's in the box? Okay. Una yung resibo. Potek. May resibo! Okay. Young Living Essential Oils. Alright. Ayan Okay, so may resibo rin tayo. Sasabihin ko ba yung price? Wag na ibigay yung price. Baka mamaya, kontakin nyo na lang sila para malaman nyo yung price. Okay? Alright. What's next? Okay, meron tayong, ano to? Unan to Plus, Styropack. Sama ba to? Yata kasama to Anyway. Okay, may mga Styropack. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ano may tutulong nito sa buhay natin, but the hell with it. Okay, okay, meron tayong what's this? You know, mga girls lang ang talagang excited sa mga ganito hindi boys. But I feel curious kasi I think wow, parang naamoy ko na siya. Okay, naamoy ko na siya. Look, okay, this one, Thieves. Okay, look at that, Thieves. Okay, this is essential oil number 1. Naamoy ko na. Amoy spa. Next, ito. Peppermint. Ito mabango. Peppermint. Ito yung mga pantanggal ng di ba? Yung mga pag may masakit ang ulo mo. Yan. May stress ka. Lalo na kapag kung ano mga pinagbabasa mo sa Facebook. Yan, singhutin mo. Peppermint. Okay, we have lemon. Okay. Lemon. Okay, hindi pwedeng gawing yan sahog sa gulaman. That's alright. Okay, and then we have this. This is another bote ito, boys and girls. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is RC. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung RC. Ano yung RC? Red chili? I don't know. Okay. And then last is lavender. Amazing. Okay, we have lavender. So yan, medyo mas maliit yung bote ng lavender at saka ng lemon. So I think hindi mo to masyadong kailangan. Mas malalaki yung bote ng iba. Okay, here we go. And then we have they have a magazine. Product Guide Philippines. Amazing. Okay, yung mga products nila. Okay, you can see essential oil. Alright. Parang kilala ko tong babaeng to ah. Parang nakasalubong ko na to minsan. But, baka mali ako. Okay? Alright, next. This is the... Okay, we have a bigger box. Desert Mist. Desert Mist. Essential Oil. Ultrasonic Diffuser. What the hell? Ultrasonic! Ultrasonic! Matindi to. Pang voltage 5 ang level nito, boys and girls. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, we open it. Desert Mist. Ultrasonic. Napraning ako doon. Ultrasonic. Okay, here we go. Okay. After open it. Okay, we have, what's this? Caution! Perhatian! Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Peringhatan. Okay, I don't know. Desert Mist Diffuser. Ito yung diffuser. Okay. So, I think dito mo lalagay yung oil para magbuga ng ultrasonic hangin. Tara guys. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, may maliit na box. Let's see this. Ito. Okay. Okay, this is the adapter. Ay, wow. Okay, may adapter. Okay. Yung picture ng charger. Naalala ko yung mga ganyan charger, yung mga panahong cellphone ko ay 3210 pa. Okay. And then we have a tray. Oh my God. Uy, ang ganda ng packaging nila. It means na sila ay sobrang careful sa kanilang product. I love it. Okay. Okay. And then the box, may mga Japanese, may mga Chinese characters. I don't know kung saan to galing, saang bansa to galing. But it looks nice. Ultrasonic, boys and girls. Amazing. Okay. This is the, I think ito na yung diffuser. Okay. Where's my cutter? Here. Okay, we cut this. There. Okay. Here we go. Brace for your lives. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a big egg. Okay, this is a big egg. And then, oops. Wala, di pa ito nasira? Wala, nasira ko yata. Okay. Here we go. Run for your lives. Ah! Okay. So, I think meron parang container. So, I think dito mo lalagay yun. Di ba? Dito yun, di ba? Okay. And then, put it here. Pwede rin itong pag kailangan mo magsalin ng mantika sa bote, you can use this. Amazing. And then, you put this one. Parang lamp din yata to eh. Lamp din ba to? Parang, di ko alam kung lamp. Okay. Mamaya aalamin natin. Okay? So, i-assemble natin to para makita nyo kung anong itsura nitong Young Living Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. Ultrasonic Diffuser. Abangan natin kung paano to mag-work. Okay? Here's the video. So, nandito ako sa sahig and assemble natin tong ultrasonic diffuser. Okay, ito yung mga oils, RC, lavender, okay. And Thieves. Ano ba to? Thieves. Tama ba yung banggit ko? Basta Thieves eh. Anyway. And then we got the lemon. Alright. And then we have the peppermint. Amazing. And then this is the ultrasonic diffuser. There's the ultrasonic diffuser. Okay. Una, kakabit muna natin yung adapter. Okay, amazing. Let's remove the adapter from the goma. Whatever you call this. Okay. And then you're going to connect the adapter At the bottom, amazing. Kaya tanggalin muna natin yung embudo. Not helpful. Okay, here. Okay, put it here. And there you go. There. Like that. Okay, then lagay mo sa sahig. Okay? And then yan. Then, lalagyan mo ng tubig. Okay? Here's the water. Lalagyan natin. Kailangan hindi lumagpas dun sa line. Hindi ko alam ba't ito ginagawa. But, this looks amazing. Mukhang nakaka-excite to. Tapos, lalagyan mo ng 8 drops. Okay? 3 thieves, 3 lemon. Okay, we put 3 like this. Okay, buksan natin. 3 nito. Okay. Ayun. Oo, sumobra. Okay, that's 4. And then, we put lemon. Like that. Amazing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Lumagpas. Puta ragis. Okay. There you go. And then, kukonek natin ang adapter. Like that. Okay. And then, we put this one, yung embudo. Okay. There. And, ilalagay natin yung ultrasonic egg. Like that. Amazing. Look at that. Okay, and then, we switch the power on. Okay, brace yourself. Kapit Pilipinas. Ito na, bubuksan na natin. And 3, 2, 1, boom, panis! Okay. What's happening? Oh, wala pa. Oh, pero naamoy ko na, oh. Uy, umusok na. Uy, umusok, oh. Look at that. Umusok. Oh, ha? Okay, yung pala yun, oh. So, nagbibigay siya ng mabangong usok. Alright. Para siyang ano, parang yung pag nagpupunta ka sa spa. You know? Oh. See? Ayan, may usok siya, oh. Tapos, pwede rin tong lampshade sa kwarto mo. See? Pwede yung patay yung ilaw. Oh. Uy, iba-iba yung kulay, oh. Oh, di ba? Amazing! Ayan, oh. Oh, nagbi-blink-blink. Alright. Oh, ayan, oh. Parang ano, parang may kandila sa loob. Di ba? Oh. Alright. Amazing. Okay, so yan ang Young Living Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. Amazing! I love this. Okay? So there you go, boys and girls. Ito ang Young Living Essential Oil. And this is alright for me. Yeah. Ayan. So, iba't ibang mga essential oil na pwede mong simputin. At pwede mo rin itong gamitin, actually. Oh, lagay mo sa ulo mo. O lagay mo sa palad mo para maamoy-amoy mo siya. Lalo na pag na-stress ka. O, sobrang bango niya. Amoy spa. O, pag pupunta ka sa mga massage parlor, di ba? Yung mga mga masahe-masahe, mga ganong amoy. Okay? And pwedeng-pwede siya sa kwarto kasi nakaka-relax. Kasi ang bango niya. And malaki may tutulong niya sa pagpawi ng sama ng loob. So if you wanna know more about this, kontakin nyo lang yung mga numbers na nakasulat sa baba. And that is my Jack Logan reviews for Young Living Essential Oils. Amazing. Goodbye, everybody. Alright.